Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a cookie consent app to your Wix website. This helps your site comply with privacy regulations and lets visitors control their cookie preferences. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, to add the cookie consent, all we need to do is click the app market on the left side of the dashboard. Once we are here, just type in cookie and consent. Here is the cookie consent app. All we need to do is click on it and then click Add to Site so it gets added to your Wix website. We just need to click Agree and Add. Let's wait for this to load. As you can see, it is now being added. There it is. This is the cookie consent on your Wix website. Visitors can now accept all cookies or set their own preferences. Now we just need to edit it. Here, we can customize it. We can select an icon, choose a design, and change the colors. Once we are happy with it, just click Save. It is now saved. And that is how we add a cookie consent app to a Wix website. With this simple setup, the site becomes more transparent and compliant with privacy rules.